Hidden traps, dense legalese, buried penalties. Tarkash-Labs presents the ultimate contract protection. Know exactly what you sign with FinePrint.
Hello everyone, this is Dhruv from Tarkash-Labs and I'm here to present our project FinePrint to you all. In the last year placement season at our college, a friend of ours almost signed a 3-year bond with a hidden 2 lakh penalty in the clause probably 3 of the offer letter he got. It was his first offer letter, but he had no idea that it had this bond penalty. We built FinePrint for that. Now, so that there's what happened with a friend of ours should not happen with anyone of us out there who are signing any contract for the first time in their life. Now, to use the FinePrint, you can upload anything like PDF or photograph, PNG and JPG are accepted, and also you can copy paste the text. We have like 7 contract types. You can choose your contract type from here, and as per the contract type you can have your custom requirements also, right? And just to test it, you can have just try an example over here. So let's try this example for internship agreement. Now we've used the Gemma 4 MOE for OCR and Gemma 4 Dense 31B for analysis, and we haven't used MOE for analysis because we actually tested MOE for analysis, but it just gave us a generic red flag for an offer letter that had critical 5 red flags. So we went for Gamma 4 dense with the analysis. Now you get a snapshot and risk score, how risky is the offer letter for you, and compatibility with the requirements you gave to the FinePrint. So you get red flags, safe clauses. This is the scores for the example we tried. It's risky, your requirements are not fulfilled, and the compatibility is very poor. And for every red flag you get the high, medium and low categories, and you can see the original contract text for the red flag and how you can negotiate with the company for removing it, and the suggested rewrite that you would want to have when you've negotiated with the company for the new agreement. Now this is the ready-made draft negotiation mail that FinePrint will give you, so you don't have to write anything by yourself, and you can edit the your name and the company's name by yourself, so you don't have to even do that on your own on the mail. So let's just say ABC Tech, and you can copy the mail, and you get the shareable report link, stateless, encoded URL, so you don't have to use it anywhere else. You don't have to create any account, sorry. And this is the FinePrint analysis PDF. You can download, send it to someone else if you want. Then you can get this 3-sentence brief, so you don't have to go through everything if you have very less time. Now we also have the compare mode, where you can compare the original contract you had, then you negotiated and you got the revised contract. Here also you can have PDF, images, or the text, whatever you want, contract types, your custom requirements. Let's try an example for the internship agreement, the negotiated one. So we are simultaneously analyzing both the agreements using Gamma 4 MOE, and let's wait for the results. So we'll provide the heat map. So you would know that the score has risen, risk score has risen or lowered to the original contract, and you should go with the opportunity or not. And this also works for the 7 contracts I've shown you before. So you can change your contract type accordingly. Okay, so this is our version comparison. This is the delta summary. So you can see the risk has dropped 74% safer than original, 73 score has gone down. Then this is the severity heat map. You can see how many flags are still present and how many are resolved. These are the resolved flags, and you can expand one of these and see what was the original one, what changed, and how it got fixed. So it's no longer a red flag. Same way you can go for here, remaining flags. Now here you'll get the new risk introduced. So it's like if company added something new to the revised contract, so you would know. And this is the remaining flag. So it would give you that it's still flagged. But it's dropped from high to medium. So you can either work with that or negotiate as per your requirements. So guys, this was it. Thank you for your time, and this is our fine print, and you can test the live app by yourselves. Thank you everyone. Have a great year ahead.